Fast forward, digital asset treasury vehicles pioneered by MicroStrategy. Michael Saylor was out front in terms of acquiring Bitcoin on your balance sheet and doing some financial engineering via what's called MNAV, or a multiple of NAV. This worked for a very long time, but what we're seeing right now in the digital asset treasury world is, as I like to say, DAT 1.0 is moving on and evolving into DAT 2.0. DAT 1.0 was about a lot of these companies coming out, being very hastily put together, not understanding that this is a TradFi product that broadens access to the asset class for people who don't want the complexity of crypto rails. Think about the dentist in Oklahoma. Think about, on the institutional side, a college endowment that doesn't want to change their investment charter. Now, all that they need to do is have a prime brokerage account or a Schwab account, and they can access the asset class, right? So from that standpoint, that's a great innovation and is broadening access. From a financial engineering standpoint, a lot of these were sold as an arbitrage play to access a multiple of the NAV, or net asset value, of the crypto that the particular company holds. I said this several months ago at the Out East Summit, and I was almost laughed out of there when I said MNAVs greater than 1 are unsustainable and certainly not greater than 2. And the industry was really focused on this MNAV thing. I think going forward, what's happening is the market's maturing. 50% of the treasury companies on Blockworks that are being tracked right now in terms of MNAV, fully 50% of these are trading below 1, which that sounds like an arbitrage to me, and only 2 trade above 2 MNAV. So I think DAT 2.0 is more about understanding this is a TradFi product. You're going to see higher quality deals coming out with TradFi or traditional finance executives and boards with a focus on increasing the number of tokens per share rather than a multiple of NAV. And how do you do that? Well, you start by saying, I'm not going to go out and spend all this money that I've just raised in one weekend and let the market essentially take the opposite side of that, which is exactly what happened for the past several months. And trust me, this was a really good trade to take the opposite side of in the crypto market. But from a DAT 2.0 perspective, you want to buy your tokens opportunistically. You want to buy your shares back and have dry powder to be able to defend that.